let it know who he wants to fight and when he wants to fight.
On winning the 5th anniversary Rumble.
He's got the mic.
Thank you. So I understand this right. I get a title shot. Any belt, anytime, any place.
That's right.
Well, after last week, that screw job, G-shot, Springfield, right now, right here in Springfield, right now.
Whoa, did you hear that, Brian? He wants the title shot now.
Are you kidding me?
Now.
He's just been in a grueling Rumble match, and now he wants to challenge G-Shock for the title right here, right now?
After what happened last time in Portland. G-Shock, he's coming to the ring. He's got the belt. We have a championship match, Brian.
Yes, we do. I didn't think we'd see this tonight, but G-Shock doesn't look very willing to accept the challenge. But I mean, that's the rule of the game.
He's got the microphone.
No match.
Uh-oh.
You cannot beat me for this title. You can't beat me now. You can't beat me tomorrow. You will never, ever beat me for this title. So I'll take your little challenge, and we'll see.
Keep in mind,
Play my music.
keep in mind, Brian, that G-Shock 2 was in this double threat rumble.
You know what?
Lightning Division Title.
They're going to get it on, Brian.
Patrick Large is not even standing upright. He wants that title, but he's not even in good health to do it. He just came through a grueling double threat rumble. He barely won the thing. He had to grab onto the ropes for dear life in order to stay in there and throw Jonas Albert Robinson out. And now he's going to challenge a relatively fresh G-Shock for the title.
Drop kick into schoolboy roll-up. 1, 2, 3.
Wait a minute.
Whoa! We have a new champion.
Are you kidding me?
We do. We have a new champion.
What kind of fluke victory was that?
Patrick Large is the new Lightning Division champion of the West Coast Wrestling Connection.
You've got to be kidding me. You see his partner Chuck Payne at his side. What a moment for Patrick Large, his first singles championship in the WCWC in a completely unpredictable match. I cannot believe that match ended as quickly as it began.
History has just been made. Patrick Large not only wins the Double Threat Rumble, wins the Lightning Division title.
I can't believe this. You've got Chuck Payne looking on. You've got Patrick Large's wife looking on. Both of them are going to be very proud, but I can't believe just how quickly that match began and ended. Patrick Large shocked the world by becoming the new Lightning Division champion.
G-Shock too busy arguing with the fans, too busy talking to whoever wanted to listen to him, which was nobody. And it's schoolboy roll-up, 3 count, match over. Thanks for coming. We have a new Lightning Division champion in Patrick Large.
WC ring announcer Ron Glover standing by with the new champ, Patrick Large. Patrick, congratulations on winning the championship rumble.
Thank you.
Is this the story of an underdog?
It appears that way. You know, nobody thought that tonight I'd be walking out with this belt. But after last week, it's oh so sweet. After you screwed me last week, G-Shock, I get redemption tonight, and I get to take your belt home with me.
Fantastic. Patrick Large, winner of the championship rumble.